This episode is sponsored by Skyreat by product placement only. They provided me with a case, which is about $85 to $90, and they provided me with some ND filters for the DJI Avata, which run currently around $55. Links for those will be in the description below. Skyreat does not have any influence on the video, neither do they get to watch it before I post it. Let's have some fun, guys. Now this area right here is one of my favorite areas to fly because you have shadows, lights, and a lot of trees, and it just looks beautiful. Plus it's secluded, so there's not that much traffic. Let's check it out. So I got to do a quick stop because somebody wanted me to take pictures of a property, but the area is really nice. So you guys should check this out. So here we are, probably at one of the nicest spots that I like to fly. It's a little bit windy, so I'm going to stay away from the coast today because I don't want to tank another one into the drink. But yeah, let's check this out. So a couple people have asked me why I flew at the location where I crashed my drone, and all I can say is, here's why. The one thing I noticed while looking at the case itself, there seems to be a pressure valve. So that pressure valve itself seems to be good if you go travel and you actually fly with that drone. Because of the differences in pressure while elevated and coming back down, it seems to equalize the pressure within the box itself, which gives you extra protection. So as you guys can see, the ND filters from Skyreat have really good quality, preserve the colors really nice, and they actually give you the power to lock your shutter speed into place. In this case, it's 1/120 since the DJI Avata is locked in with 4K 60. Hopefully with firmware updates that will change and gives us a little bit more options to play around with it. Besides that, the case is really nice. I really like it. The only thing that I really have to grumble about the case is that it has slots for pretty much everything and 4 batteries and the charger and the controller and everything, but it does not have any slots for ND filters. So I would have loved to see that part, but you can't have everything. Besides that, the case is really nice, and you can find the link for any of these products inside the description. Like I said, the ND filters are really nice because they're affordable with $55 currently on Amazon, and the case itself runs between $85 to $90. Besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys did, please don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell for further videos of mine. Until then, please don't forget, be a nice human, make somebody else smile, and definitely pay it forward. Love you all. Aloha.